Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is many hands make light work.
So this is a very old adage, but it holds true even to this day in this modern world that we live in here. Anytime that you can take and get help in your business, whether that is just emotional help, like sometimes you need some emotional help. It could be financial help. It could be all sorts of different help. Just labor help, people to take care of emails, things like that. Or even help in the workshop if you are a blacksmith and you're doing a blacksmithing business. Sometimes just an extra hand, it just really does help out and help speed things up for efficiency's sake.
Yeah, you have an example of this 2 live streams back, actually.
Mm-hmm.
You had 2 assistants in the shop to help you out.
Yeah.
Made a 8-pound billet more manageable.
Yeah, so I was working on an 8-pound billet of wrought iron, so it was 8.8 pounds, so it's 8.5 pounds basically. Billet of wrought iron I was working with, some pretty heavy stuff, and we had to bring it to forge welding heat. And I had 2 strikers to come out and give me a hand. They were just coming out to visit with me in the shop, and I said, hey, why not? I'll help use you while you're here. And that helped free me up. So otherwise, where I might have to find some power equipment or make some dies or this or that, I could just within quick 10 minutes, I had them swinging sledgehammers, 10-20 minute like little teaching, if you will, and they were swinging a hammer just fine. At the iron billet for that particular process. So, a lot of times that can take and help free you up as a smith. Also, if you're having them work on something else entirely, something that is within their skill set, whatever that employee or temporary temp in your company is doing, they ought to be able to take and do it to a degree that you don't have to go back and check over their work. That's kind of one of those key things of this many hands make light work.
Yeah, definitely. You want to be able to work to their strengths and skill sets as well. Yeah,
and that means you don't need to be a horrible micromanager. Now, that's something I'm horrible about. I like to micromanage every step of the process. But, in our own business, Jessica is like my key go-to for help. She takes care of all the back end stuff and behind the scenes and gets all sorts of orders shipped out. She does the shipping and finances and things like that. I help her with that. We team up on that, but she does the majority of the work, and I don't have to usually go back and double check her work. She's just on point. And that is such a huge load off, and it really allows me to exceed and excel at what I'm good at, which is the forging. Mm-hmm. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. Consider adding some people to your workshop, whether that's just some temp help or just some people that want to give us a helping hand every now and then. It can definitely bless your business and help grow you and make you a little bit more efficient. So that's it for this 3 at 3. Thank you all so much watching us.
And thanks for joining us.
And as we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.